of transition metal ion and complex. Transition metal ion form colored ion due to presence of unpaired electron and due to DD transition. Blue object become dark, observing it through red filter. Similarly, red thing appear red. According to crystal field theory, interactions between central metal atom and ligand is purely electrostatic. They are supposed to be point positive and negative charge respectively. When ligand approach central metal atom or ion, degeneracy of 5d orbital disturbed in octahedral field. It is split into two groups, T2G and EG, due to unequal repulsion. D orbital of EG group has more repulsion between metal d electrons and electron of ligands than that of d orbital of T2G group, so it has more energy. We understand color through taking an example of hexa-aqua titanium third ion. In this complex, titanium is present in third oxidation state and this is D1 case. Crystal field electronic configuration for this complex is T2G1 EG0 in ground state. This complex absorbs energy and electronic transition take place from T2G to EG. Retention time of electron is very less and very short time electron come into its ground state emitting complementary color which fall in violet color so that this complex appear violet. Water is supposed to be a weak field ligand. Famous copper ion, blue in color, one unpaired electron. Zinc ion, colorless, D10 case, no unpaired electron. Cobalt 2 positive, D7 case, having 3 unpaired electron, pink in color. Nickel third ion, D7 case, 3 unpaired electron, green in color. Iron second, pale green in color. This is D6 case, 4 unpaired electron, so that DD transition taking place. Oxidation of iron second into iron third by hydrogen peroxide in acidic medium. Brown color of Fe3 ion, that is D5 case, 5 unpaired electron, 3 in T2G and 2 in EG energy levels. Formation of cuproammonium ion, tetraamine copper second ion. Adding ammonia in copper second ion. Dark blue color, tetraamine copper second. Formation of complex between cobalt second ion and ammonia. Blue color complex form. Formation of complex using iron third cyanide ligands. Dark red color, blood red color complex formed. Blood red color complex. Intense, intense blood red. Adding water, color remains same, not become dim. Taking one drop of complex and put into the water. Very intense color of complex. Complex between ammonia ligands and nickel third. Blue color complex. Hexaamine nickel third form. A blue color complex. Up to now, we have prepared 4 complex. Identify which one is which.